Happy Thanksgiving! Maad to me, finally mo attend mig party with friends. First time since the pandemic.
Mitaw. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. There's a lot
Enjoy.
of things to thank for.
Yes,
Yeah.
including each other.
And now, life is good.
Yes.
Happy Thanksgiving.
In spite of some difficulties, life is still very good.
Happy Thanksgiving to our families, our friends, and everyone.
Yes.
Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you have a
Great one.
great one and
Keep safe.
keep safe. Keep on watching. Thank you.
Ang sagay na.
Like,
Like, share, and subscribe.
subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We're going to Safeway to buy some foods for the potluck. Potluck lang ginagmay kay
Buwang na.
kasi mga idaran tano, di naman tamukaw nagdaghan. So just a simple celebration sa Thanksgiving and then potluck ginagmay
Maybe more chika.
and then more chika, more talking and kumustahan sa mga bisdak sa
In California.
in California. Okay, musud tag Safeway.
I don't know what to buy.
Let's just buy chicken. And that's it.
Chicken?
Yeah. So I think everyone is in the house already. Gamay naman lagtao sa Safeway. So everybody's drinking beers now.
No
Talking.
drinking for us.
No drinking for the driver.
I can drive, but no drinking for him. That one, the boat. Okay. Love ka to na lang gas
Yeah. Okay. We'll take it.
Yeah, a pound please. Let me see.
So we're thinking of the
Asian something. Oh, General Tao's chicken?
we got this food over here. Oh, that one. We're looking for pecan pie. Kung wala, we'll just get the apple pie then. Apple pie is $12.99. That's a good price. Blueberry muffin.
Blueberry.
Huh?
No blueberry.
Oh, let's get the blueberry then. So we got a blueberry muffin and blueberry pie and the chicken.
Something.
Driving is drunk driving. We're on Highway 92 going eastbound. Panindutas Bayoy. See the left. See your to the left. Kita kayo ang kuan. Unsa na?
Bridge?
Yung bridge oh. Yung Oakland. San Francisco na diha niya, Oakland sa Picas.
Nindot good ang view sa Mataman. Can you just buy a kuan tripod?
Yeah.
It's really hard. I don't want the There's an airplane
Linaw was dagat eh.
there. Ang dagat, Morocco oil.
Malahan na.
Mani siya. Ang view to cross the bridge. San Mateo Bridge. I think naiupat ka bridge mo cross aning bay. Kanya, usa is Dulsam. In a way, marapod siya motabog o lapu-lapu man daw eh. Grabe ka yung panay. Driver.
Oh, yes.
Ganun nag-thumbs up ka?
Okay na.
Still on the road, and we'll be passing by a outlet store. Pretty famous po din siya, daghan mga hitari. We haven't been here though.
Mall of America.
It used to be Livermore Outlet something, but now it's called Mall of America.
I think so.
Nadiha ang mga kuan branded. Katula?
On your right.
My right there. Wala pa man.
Balik na to uli.
Nananay linya.
Kita na nato ng linya sa Black Friday.
Mo to love no?
Kana.
Farther away there. So, yeah, later, daghan na niya, I need parking. Like, I need linya to park. Almost there, love.
Yeah.
Altamont pass na siya. Inig na o gani. Mountain House na sa.
We're passing through Altamont Pass. Yan na diri ang mga kanang LEC turbine that would save
Energy.
energy.
Aray ko. Aray. Ano pass? Ah!
Na nagibutang diri kay nay kusog hangin gid diri.
Hangin dire. Musa ka pala na og na.
Hapin na kay naog pata gamay niya. That's it.
Ang makita na to nga sibilisasyon kay Mountain House na sa. Kaya mo na kung doon na ng Altamont. That's like okay.
Mga 4 months po siguro.
Then we agid a little tunnel. There are the LSC. That's for energy. Grant Line. Kanang Grant Line. Taas okay na sa. Parallel na siya aning freeway or
Yeah,
cross parallel.
Pero you have to go to the mountains there. Sa left.
Mountains. Go to the mountains. Ano ko na yung siya. Dry kay ni siya dali. Fire kuan pa ni sa hanap no?
Our house.
Wala na yung sakyanan sa taas. I think people are already drinking in the house.
Kasi duwa ron sa kuha. Thursday night football.
I don't know.
Usually Dallas play
Yeah, Dallas plays on Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving. Dallas Cowboys.
Almost there. Finally, almost there. An hour, right? Ang drive?
40 minutes, I think. So exit is Mountain House Parkway.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Thanksgiving Day, a time to give thanks for the simple joys, the life that we've planned. With grateful hearts, we gather near to share this moment so special and dear.
Mani ang pagkaon sa Thanksgiving.
So
We got
here it is.
Biko.
That Friday. Seriously. This thing could be great.
Lechon.
Bibingka.
Why don't we have this?
Orange.
Paskunalan.
Puto.
Listen up, boys.
Muffin.
Goes to Coach Wilson.
Blueberry pie.
Ang huli ka tayo ko no?
Kasaba.
For deals you decide. Shop Walmart Black Friday
Chicken
deals
pie.
now. Walmart's massive Black Friday deals are here, but they won't last long. Get this Apple Watch for $149. This Hot Wheels set for $20.
Dali lang na favorite na ang shrimp niya.
Shop Walmart Black Friday deals now through December 1st.
They got cookies. Ano ito?
Don't go the whistle just yet, because these savings
Oh, ribs. Kalami.
Oh, it gets well. Dahan yung lagi i-order si Jane. Wala ko na sila.
Basta si Jen, magkuha ng pagkaon, di.
Kare-kare. Oy, dinuguan. Pansit. Lumpia Shanghai. Chicken. That's it.
Dagko na kayong kids. Ay,
Shrimp.
Ay, well,
Ihon.
Central sa paper.
Chicken.
I-drop lang ako.
Football, Green Bay,
ご覧いただ
Miami
き
Dolphins.
ありがとうございます。